good looking. What you got cooking? I know y'all didn't think that I was going to stop at 2 boxes of 2019 Chronicles, did you? I know you didn't think that. If you know me, and I know some of you now know me, you didn't think that I was going to just stop. Matter of fact, this might not even be the end of it. We'll see. We'll see. I will say I didn't get the crazy thrill, the crazy big hits that out of this so far that I did out of 17 and even 18. But I still love it. I love that you get so many hits for, I'm going to say, a decent price, but we know cards are overpriced. But anyways, this is not the time to go down that rant. So let's do it. Let's open another one. I got a couple of this fellow. He's kind of eluded me quite a bit in 19 products. But if you watched both those breaks, you saw that I did get a jersey rookie of his. So that was nice. I'm looking for, and I'm going to have to find out when and if there will be a retail version of this. I assume there will be. There was the past 2 years, but I don't have that information yet. I scoured eBay, my favorite eBay seller for retail products, and didn't see it. So I'll try to find out, because of course I'll have that. This is a crazy thick pack. I'm going to set that aside. Let's go for this one. Let's go for the skinny mini and see what we get. Oh, so much good stuff. Madison Bumgarner. Oh, starting off with a little Alonso rookie action. And some Vlad action. Rookies and stars. Our first hit is a Mitch Keller Contenders autograph. Season ticket. And we have an Altuve Crusade. Manny Machado Titan. And this is the, like, not hyper plaid, maybe it's just prisms. I don't know. $2.99. I can't remember what they call this parallel, but it looks really good. Then we have Brian Reynolds rookie and Kikuchi rookie certified. These are both certified. They have this, and then they have this green version. There's other colors too, I think. But those are numbered. Oh, this one's a little thick too. Let's just check them all out. Alright, so basically there's 3 thick ones and the rest are not. Although there's something thick in here. Let's just go with it. Let's just press forward. Whatever. Alright, Yelich. Jake Bowers, the base Chronicles rookie. An Anthony Rizzo limited. To $1.99, Lasaiga, hope I pronounce that right, rookie jersey autograph. Dual pinstripes. It is on card. Not bad at all. I've gotten a couple of these. Oh, it's Spectra, by the way. I didn't say that. So that's hit 1. Jose Ramirez, Contenders Optic. Nice. Tatis Titan rookie. Corey Kluber and Ichiro. These are both status. Again, this is the green version. Green parallel version. Alright, get out here. Skinny pack. Bryce Harper Classics. Another Alonso rookie, the base Chronicles rookie. Trey Mancini, Timeless Treasures. Oh! Alonso triple jersey rookie, yay, to $99. It's the gold parallel. 3 distinctly different jersey pieces too, which makes that much better. Very nice. That is the kind of jersey you want to get. Benintendi Contenders Optic. Ozzy Albies Contenders Optic season ticket hollow silver refractor thingy. A Tatis Jr. certified rookie. And an Ohtani certified green. So far, so good. 3 packs to go. Starting out with an Altuve score. I like the score. I like the little artistic flair. Duplantier rookie playoff. Matt Olson limited. Here is a thick Spectra Alex Bregman. Card number 1. Uno. A Freddie Freeman Phoenix. Luckily that's a thick stock card, so it's okay. Obsidian Arenado. I think that's just the base Obsidian. Yep. Status Mike Trout. And certified Mike Trout. Dual Trouts. Alright. Guess we'll save that super thick one for last. Although thick doesn't always mean better. It can, but not always. Alright, Giancarlo. Austin Riley, Timeless Treasures rookie. Pete Alonso rookie playoff. We have a DeGrom Spectra Neon Blue to 99. Nice. A Yadier Molina Titan Parallel. Goldschmidt Obsidian. That is the base version again. Yachty Status and Yelich Certified. So have I gotten all my hits? What am I looking at? 3 autos and 1. Oh no, I think I'm going to be shorted an auto. I should have. Man, please. Yeah, because right now we're sitting on 1 auto and 1 jersey, so it looks like Panini, why do you make me do this every time? I hate you sometimes so bad. Alright, Bryce Harper Ascension. Tatis Rookies and Stars rookie. Chris Paddock playoff rookie red to 50. Our autograph is a Jacob Nix Spectra neon green with a really nice, you can even see extra letter in there. This is numbered out of 25, 3 out of 25. Oh my goodness, you got to see this. Oh baby, that is beautiful. Numbered out of 199. That is gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. And then followed that up with an Obsidian Vlad rookie. And then we end it with Mookie Betts and another Vlad status rookie. So Vlad out the wazoozy in this box, and I'm happy. He's been skirting around me. I did get shorted an autograph. Let's do the double check real fast. But it looks like I'm going to have to ride into Panini again. This time, though, I'm not going to let them get me. Last time I made the mistake of sending my request in a regular envelope so they can easily just say they didn't receive it, and they did say that. And, yeah, I'm not going to let that happen again. Man, that stinks. But this was a good box regardless. I mean, even the jersey card was an Alonso triple relic rookie jersey, so, you know, can't cry too hard. But yeah, I'm missing the... Oh, wait. No, I'm not. Wait. Yeah, 1, 2... Hang on. I think I'm a dummy. Is that right? Yeah, that good. Everything's here. I forgot about this. This came at the very first, and I forgot about it. So, yay. That will save me some time and effort and trouble and sadness. I'm sorry, Panini. I owe you an apology. It's not you. It was me this time. It was really me. Still, alright, that's even better. That means this was a really, really, really delightful box, as Chronicles tends to be. So I probably will get one more. But let me try to find out about, before I spend any more money, because I need to be careful with my dollars. Let me try to find out what's going on with retail. But I probably will get one more of these and then call it after that. So thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care of yourself. I'll see you all again soon.